Welcome, thrill seekers and daredevils, to an adventure of a lifetime. Imagine the wind rushing past your ears as you sway back and forth on a swing, but not just any swing. We're talking about the world's most dangerous swings. The kind that would make your stomach churn and your heart pound with exhilaration. The kind that are so high, so fast, and so thrilling, they leave even the bravest among us breathless. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this spine-chilling tour of the top 10 most perilous swings worldwide. Starting off at number 10, we have the Screamer Swing, aptly named for the chilling screams it elicits. Located in a remote corner of New Zealand, this swing isn't for the faint-hearted. It swings you over a deep abyss, and let's just say if you have a fear of heights, this isn't your go-to weekend activity. Sliding into number 9, we have the Leap of Faith in South Africa. Now this one is a real adrenaline rush. Imagine swinging off a cliff and into the arms of Mother Nature. Yes, you heard that right. No safety nets, just you, the swing, and the wild blue yonder. Next up at number 8, we have the Cliffhanger in Australia. It's not just the height that's terrifying, it's the sheer drop that gets your heart pounding. This isn't a swing for the squeamish. But, hey, if you're into that sort of thing, more power to you. At lucky number 7, we have the Vertigo in Switzerland. This swing is perched atop a mountain peak. The view is breathtaking, but so is the drop. It's like being on a roller coaster, only there's no track beneath you. Just a free fall into the clouds. Nudging into number 6, we have the Sky Swinger in the United States. This swing takes you up, up and away into the sky. It's like a childhood swing set on steroids. The view from the top? Let's just say it's a bird's eye view on life. Halfway through at number 5, we find the Pendulum in Canada. This swing is aptly named for its pendulum-like movement. Swinging back and forth over a yawning chasm, it's enough to make even the bravest among us quiver. Making a grand entry at number 4, we have the Gravity Defier in Japan. This swing takes you on a whirlwind ride, defying gravity and sanity. It's not so much a swing as it is a heart-stopping, gut-wrenching adventure. In the top 3 now, and at number 3, we have the Daredevil in Brazil. This swing is aptly named for those who dare to take the ride. It's a wild, free-swinging journey that will leave your heart pounding and your spirit soaring. Runner-up at number 2, we have the Freefall in Russia. This swing isn't for the faint-hearted. It's a stomach-churning drop that will leave you breathless and exhilarated. It's like a roller coaster, only scarier. And landing at number 1, the most dangerous swing in the world, is the Beast in China. This swing is not for the faint-hearted. The height, the speed, the sheer thrill of it all is enough to make even the bravest among us tremble. But for those who dare, the Beast offers an adventure like no other. Before you pack your bags and rush off to these adrenaline-pumping destinations, let's talk safety. Now it's all well and good to seek out heart-stopping thrill, but remember, danger and excitement are two sides of the same coin. First and foremost, always check the safety measures in place. Each of these swings has safety precautions that are as unique as their dizzying heights. Don't let the thrill of the moment overshadow the importance of safety equipment. Harnesses, helmets, and safety lines are there for a reason, and ignoring them can turn an exhilarating ride into a terrifying ordeal in seconds. Secondly, always listen to the instructors and follow their advice. They know their swings like the back of their hands. Let's not forget, these swings are not your average backyard playground equipment. They're extreme, unpredictable, and not for the faint of heart. And finally, remember to respect the heights, the speed, and the sheer power of these swings. They are not to be underestimated. Remember folks, it's all fun and games until someone forgets their safety harness. Let's take a breath and rewind through our roller coaster ride of dangerous swings. We've soared through the sky, felt our stomachs drop and hearts race as we explored the world's most perilous swings. From dizzying heights to jaw-dropping speeds, each swing offered a unique blend of thrill and danger. But let's not forget, these adrenaline-pumping attractions are best admired from the safety of our screens. That's it for today's adventure, folks. Remember, safety first, thrill second. Until next time, keep your feet on the ground and your heart in the clouds.